Hi, I just wanted to show you guys how to change the speed. We have the Juki DDL 8700, and if you have a box underneath it, like this one over here, I actually printed out directions and taped it. Your box probably doesn't have all that black and white writing on it. But anyways, if you hold down these negative or plus signs, it'll change the sewing direction. Sometimes I have students that accidentally set it and then the machine starts sewing backwards. So just hold down the plus sign to get it going the right way. But you can also change the speed. So the way we do is we hold the negative sign for 5 seconds. And then you see how it says an N number. We want to get to N2. So I hit the plus sign twice. And then now we can click the negative sign again. And this is where you can set the speed. So let's see here. So I think 5 is the slowest, and like in the 40s is gonna go really fast. So usually students kind of like the 5, but if you want to go faster, you can get up to like the 40s. So that's how we do it.